Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Do you have the new Google Pixel 8 Pro and looking for a case to protect your new device? Well, if so, stay tuned and I'm going to go ahead and show you a new case that I've been using on my Pixel 8 Pro from Spigen. All right, so the Pixel 8 Pro is a wonderful device, but you also want to protect this, especially when you're paying $1,000 for these devices. So I picked up the Spigen Liquid Air. This is for the Pixel 8 Pro. And these have been really good cases over time. I've used Spigen a lot on different devices. This has a slim design. It has perfect grip on it, so it's form-fitting for the device, so the cutouts are perfect. And then it also has protection. So let's go ahead and take a look at the case itself. This isn't an unboxing because I've been using this for a few weeks now. So this is the case that you get, and I did put a MagSafe ring on it so I could use MagSafe. But if you look at the case closely, let me go ahead and zoom in here a little bit. You can see that there is some texturing on the case. It has kind of a diamond cuts on the back, and so it's very grippy. So you don't have to worry about dropping your phone. Along the edge, we have our volume up and down and our power button. The power button has a little bit of a different feel to it, so you can differentiate between the two. Inside you have the air cushion for your drop protection. You've got your cutouts for your camera, your flash, and your temperature sensor. Around the bottom we have the cutouts for the USB-C charging port and our speakers. And along the top we have a cutout for the microphone at the top there. Along this edge there's no buttons or anything, but there is some Spigen branding. Let's see if we can get that to focus a little bit there. But overall, this has been a really good case. It doesn't add too much bulk to the phone, which I like, and it gives me good grip, so I don't have to worry about dropping the phone. If you have the Pixel 8 Pro, you will understand what I'm saying because it is a bit slippery in the hand. So let's go ahead and pop it on our phone so we can take a look and see what it looks like. And there we go. So you can see that it's got those cutouts for the camera and our flash and our temperature sensor. There is a bit of a raised edge. See if we can get that to focus. That goes all the way around. So there is a lip that goes all the way around, so you can put it down face down and not worry about cracking your screen. The buttons are very clicky, very responsive. The power button, let's go ahead and just power this up real quick. Have this turned off. Let me see if I can get a close-up here for you. There we go. So you can see that there's some raised edges on that power button. So that's kind of nice to have that so that you can differentiate between the power and the volume up and down. And then let's just give you a little bit closer look there. You can see that raised edge going around. But yeah, and these are very affordable. I think these are like under 15 bucks on Amazon. So if you are looking for a case to protect your new device, definitely check out the Spigen Liquid Air case. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to like the video, click the bell notification so you'll be notified when new videos are uploaded, and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of our new updates. Thanks for watching.